Well, I was going to work on my Jeep. So as you can see, I had to pull things in. We got light rain falling off and on. And I don't know if it's due to the storm that we have out there in the panhandle. Some of that weather may come back this way and give us some rain. But we've been getting our normal rain just about every afternoon. Anyway, I'm changing out a water pump and a thermostat in this Jeep, and before I put it back together, I'm going to evaluate if there's some other things or upgrades that I need to make. The first thing I did, I had the throttle body off. I changed out all the sensors. I had an idle air control valve that was stuck, probably original. And when I changed it out, I went ahead and changed the MAP and the throttle position sensor also. And before changing all that, this vehicle would not idle at all. And now it idles great. It runs okay. It's just an old 2004 with about 200,000 miles on it. And I've been retired for a while. Here's some of the things. I got a new water pump. There's the old one. I've got I'm replacing the upper and lower hoses and all the gaskets on the thermostat, and of course, you know, on the water pump. There's the old fan that came out of it. I think it's the original. It was kind of rigged up as far as the wiring. You can tell that they had trouble probably with the relay before, or the relay sensor that turns it on and off when the engine heats up to a certain temperature. One of the things I've got to test it, make sure it's working all right. I'm going to check the relay that I found on YouTube videos is underneath this headlamp right here. And I may go to a clutch fan, I'm not sure yet. The claims are that if you go to a clutch fan, that it will keep this 4.0 6-cylinder a little cooler. Everybody claims that this engine seems to run a little hotter than it should, especially if you're off-roading or sitting in traffic. And that's what I want this thing for. If I can get it running where it's fairly dependable, I'm going to use it for off-roading. Instead of buying a $15,000 or $20,000 ATV, this Jeep is what I'm going to use. I had thought about trading my Harley Ultra Classic in on an ATV, but they don't want to give me no money for it, so they can go you know where. I'm not giving it away. I'll keep it and ride it around once in a while on Sundays. That's all, but I'm not giving it away. Anyway, I got this Jeep, picked it up for hardly anything. Got it for $300 and it runs, and I drove it to the house. And this engine's worth a hell of a lot more than that. Anyway, I'm using it as a hobby right now. I'm retired. I don't have much to do, and I'm having a little fun here, and it's refreshing my memory on mechanical items that I know in the near future that I'll be doing on this thing. 2008 Expedition it's only got 70,000 miles, runs great right now. But anyway, here's Paul Stevens out for now.
And please like, share, and subscribe.
If you get a chance, watch some of the other videos.